Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer crypto from your Ledger hardware wallet to your Kraken exchange account. First, ensure your Ledger device is connected and unlocked, and open the Ledger Live application on your computer. It is also crucial to verify that your Kraken account is fully set up and verified before initiating any transfers. This foundational preparation ensures a smooth and secure transaction process, minimizing potential issues. We will guide you through each step carefully. To begin, you will need the correct deposit address from your Kraken account. Log into your Kraken account on their official website. Then, navigate to the funding section and select Deposit. It is critically important to choose the exact cryptocurrency you intend to receive, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Once selected, Kraken will provide a unique deposit address. Carefully copy this address, as it is essential for the next step. Now, return to your Ledger Live application. From your portfolio, select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to send. Click on the Send button, which will open the transaction interface. Carefully paste the Kraken deposit address you copied earlier into the recipient address field. Double-check that the address is correct. Then, enter the exact amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, ensuring it meets any minimums or maximums. The final and most critical step is to review and confirm your transaction. Your Ledger device will display the transaction details, including the amount, recipient address, and network fees. It is absolutely vital to double-check every detail on your Ledger screen to prevent errors. Once you are certain everything is correct, approve the transaction directly on your Ledger hardware wallet. After approval, you can monitor the transaction status on both Ledger Live and your Kraken account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.